How to favorite gifts on Discord mobile. Hello everyone and let's get started. When you find a GIF or GIF, you can click it to post it directly in the chat. Note that it will be sent as your own message. Additionally, you can also click on the star icon in the top right corner to add it to the favorites. So first of all, what you can do is open your Discord application and then search for your server. Go to the conversation and to send a emoji or GIF, click on the sticker icon. From the GIFs, select the GIF that you want from the section. Tap on it and just tap on it again to send any of the GIFs. Once it is sent, to favorite or like it or react to it, you just have to long press it and then click on the emoji icon. You can select on any emojis and react to it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.